Hi there. Now we are showing the best quality mountain laurel. It's a very rare laurel wood. You can see here we supply backs and sides, tops. Amazing quality mountain laurel. It's very vibrant in color, very rare, unique, exotic woods. They're widely used for making guitars. They are very close to East Indian rosewood in appearance, but a little bit darker in shade, a bit wider in appearance. But when it comes to quality, they are unique, absolutely gorgeous. If you guys looking for mountain laurel, call us California Exotic Hardwoods, Anaheim, California, 714-929-1234. Backs and sides, drop top, solid body, available in stock. Call us. Thank you.